Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have 40 plus pixel effect animations by Nick, 120 plus cyber effect animations by Garcia Flow. Next we have some plugin releases. An MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunegawa that allows us to have a different battleback image and encounter rate depending on the tile the player is walking on. An MZ plugin by Muggles that allows advanced customization of the GameOver screen, including the feature to either delete save files on player death or teleport them to a checkpoint. An MZ plugin by Sub that adds keyboard controls for left-handed players, switching movement to WASD. Two more MZ plugins by Toria Kontan, one that displays a different face and actor name depending on the value of a variable, and second plugin displays an additional custom message at the end of every battle. 30 pixel sky backgrounds by Digital Moons. Next we have two new tools, a tool by Soren Mollers that we can use to quickly view Spritesheet animations, and a tool by Chamaki that can generate RPG Maker style Walk-Sprites. It also allows us to easily add more parts to it and expand on it. 69 horror stinger sound effects by DHSFX. A Tileset of some furniture and decorations by Eliza Y. And lastly, some modern tiles for Japanese style rooms by Otto Fumura. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.